Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Chase Bank account from your computer. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of chase.com, which looks like this. Click on the sign in button from the main homepage, which is located on the right hand side of the screen, in order to get access to your account. In the login area that is displayed on the next page, go ahead and enter a username in the first text box. Once you do that, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct for your chase.com account. Once you type in your username and your password correct, you can click the sign in button. If you'd like the system to remember your username and your password, click on remember me box, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. After entering your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the sign in button in blue, and that way you'll be able to log into your chase.com account quick and easy. With your chase.com account, after logging into your account, you can manage your investment, monitor your credit score, budget and track monthly spending, send and receive funds, and so much more. That is how you can easily log into your chase.com account from your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Keep watching for more.